Hello everyone. So in this video I will try to solve a very interesting problem, and the problem is like something like this. If you are asked to find the sum of all two-digit odd numbers, how would you do that? So I will write the problem. So find the sum of all two-digit odd numbers. So basically it is 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus so on plus 97 plus 99 plus 101. So 101 is a 3-digit number. So we need to find the sum of this number. So how do you do that? What is the most easy way? First of all, when you have a series like this, first try to see what is the difference between them, or if you can find a pattern. So this problem is quite easy. You can see the difference between the two numbers is 2, as because they are successive odd numbers. So it forms a AP series. In AP series, the difference between the numbers are constant, and the total number of numbers is 45. It is because from 10 to 99 there are 45 odd numbers. So 45 is n, and the difference is 2. So the sum of AP is equal to n by 2, first number, that is 11 plus 99. So it will be 45 by 2 into 110. So the value would be 2475. So this is the answer of this problem. Similarly, if it is asked to find the sum of all three-digit numbers where the numbers are odd, so in that case also it can be easily done. I'll just show you in a very short. So it will be, so the numbers start with 111, 113, dot 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 plus 999. So in this case also the difference is 2, and we need to find n. Now n is quite easy. So from 0 to 1000 n is 500, and we need to subtract 45 and plus 5, and so in that case you will get a new n, and then you add, so you use the formula which is n by 2. The first term is 111 plus 999, and you will get the value. So in this case you can solve all kind of problems, even if the difference is not odd or even. So for example, if it is 11 plus say 14 plus 17 plus 21 plus so on, no sorry 20, in this case you can see the difference is 3 in all these numbers. So here also you can do the same thing. You do n by 3 plus first term, that is 11, plus the last term. So here in that case if I take the 4 numbers, the last term is 20, and you solve, you will get the answer. So if you like this video, you can put a thumbs up. I will appreciate it, and if you have any suggestions you can add comments. Thank you.